Hey guys, I got another job to do today. It's kind of like a honeydew. Do this for me. But I gotta change the garbage disposal. Fun. So we're gonna put another little how-to video. Check it out. See this? This garbage disposal? Yeah, took a crap on us the other day. So I'm going to change it and put a new one on. So, first things first, let's take off a few items, shall we? Gotta change out the screwdriver. Oh, there we go. So this little connection here apparently goes to our dishwasher, which that kind of works, but we have never used it because it leaks out the door. And I think it's just got a bad seal on it. So we haven't used it. And I'm sure the wife would like to get a new one at one point, which we probably will. But not today, Junior. However, I'm trying to get these little rubber pieces off. They're always a pain in my butt. That's disgusting. Oh, jeez. Oh, that's gross. Gross, gross, gross. Not even cool. That's a bad thing. Yeah. Well, focus. All right. Got some paper towels here. The good stuff rolling. I'm gonna soak up some of this grossness here. You know, this would be considered a dirty job, I think. Yep, I think so. Dirty, dirty. Oh, this one's gonna be great too. I don't like doing dirty jobs. I've put this off for a little while, but technically, we ordered one online because, you know, we're clear out here in the boonies. So we ordered one online and they sent us a sump pump, which, you know, is not the same as a garbage disposal. But apparently they had a mix-up. I don't know how you get a sump pump and a garbage disposal mixed up, but somebody at the place we ordered it from managed to do that. Kind of makes me laugh, kind of makes me giggle, but then again, they screwed up. Oh, gross. I gotta get a little pan or something under there. What should we use? we'll get a little bowl or something. Here we go. All right. Yummy. This is why I'm not a plumber, you guys, because I don't know if I can deal with crap like this all day. In fact, I know I can't. That's gross. Extremely gross. You know what? You guys should just hire somebody to do this. Don't be like me. Don't do it yourself. But I'll tell you what. Stick your screwdriver in here. Actually, I don't think that's working. Very good. Let's try. Let's try this one. Now, you're supposed to do like that. It basically pull that little ring off. Should have had something underneath it, you know? But, what do you do? I'm no pro. I'm just doing this as a, kind of like a, not even a handyman. I'm not even a handyman. I just know how to do some stuff. So I just do it. Put something underneath the garbage disposal, or it'll fall. But it's off. Yee. Okay, so apparently the phone just stopped recording because I was on my SD card, and apparently I had no more space on my SD card. So now we are, oh, stupid phone. Now we're on the phone storage, so we should have a little bit better storage space on here. I don't know. So yeah, we'll see what's going on. I'm gonna take this little piece apart here, because now I gotta switch over this cord. Safety first. Make sure it's unplugged. There's a lot of people who don't do that. And, well, you know what happens when you don't unplug stuff. You start trying to touch with wires and stuff, you get electrocuted. Some people get electrocuted. I don't like electrocution. It hurts. It really hurts. So let's see. Let's drop it down here, see if you can see a little bit. It's kind of off a little bit. I don't know. Can you still see a little bit? So take that bad boy out. Looks like there's a little clip here on the bottom of this here. Bust out my flathead screwdriver again, and voila. Take that clip off the bottom. Now you can see that. Come on, focus. Let's get this out of the way. I think it's focusing on that. Anyways, C-clip. Bottom of this. Now, let's go ahead and push those in there like that. We'll get that to come out. Just like that. Well, now this side doesn't want to come out. We'll get it. Don't worry, you just gotta press this in from the inside here. Come on. Just like that. Oh, fancy. That is fancy. Oops. Oh, nice. That's just made to, you can just pull those in and out. I like it. That's pretty fancy. I'll show you that. Let me undo this real quick. Man, this garbage disposal stinks. I used to have some rental properties and they had some garbage disposals and nobody ever really knew how to take care of them. Not take care of them, but you know, they just think they can put anything down these garbage disposals, which I mean, I guess you can, but you shouldn't. You know, they have like half a hamburger. They just like throw it in. Well, we'll just chop it up. Well, yeah, kinda. So, all right, let's. Ew, gross. Let's see if we can show you this. So, this little piece here for your white and your black wire. Basically, it's got a little thing here on the end. You just push that in, and that white wire will come out. Same with the black wire. You just push that in, it'll pull out. So there you go. And here's this one. So take off the back. Switch this back over again. Can't ever make up their mind. Phillips or flatheads. Come on, people. Alright, take that off. Hold this. This says, you know, do not remove, so we'll just leave it there. However, we will put these wires up here in the hole. Like that. Then we will connect these ones like that. Alright, so just to make sure we got the wires correctly, I'll be honest, I had to go back and see which wire I took off. So make sure you double check which wire goes in here, because I'm not an electrician. I shouldn't be telling you what to do. So always consult a professional with electricity, not a how-to video. I'm just doing this because, you know, look, safety first. Unplug it. Makes me feel a little safer. But when there's wires like this that are just, you know, in there, that you got another little piece you can just take off and reconnect on the other one, then it doesn't make it seem like a big deal. So I'll do it. But if you're not comfortable doing that, just hire somebody else. I won't care. Share my video though. I won't get hurt that, you know, you chose to call a professional and not continue the process with your boy Kurt. By the way, that's my name, just in case if any of y'all were wondering. That's my real name. I think I should come up with a nickname. You know, I'm on Instagram as Scatterbrain, so maybe that's just, what I'll call it, scatterbrained, because that's basically what this channel is going to be about. It's going to be all scatterbrained, how-to videos, just videos of me and the dogs, maybe mowing some lawns, snow removal, maybe taking the guns out and shooting some stuff, just whatever, just a channel, nothing fancy, nothing, that I specialize in, because, I don't really specialize in anything, but I excel at a lot of things. And if you don't think so, that's okay. I think so. So whatever I think, I can put my mind to something and I can do it, You should too. Try new things. Anyways, alright. So, how about this? How about we throw this bad boy back in like this? Because this is how it was put in here. Just make sure those wires are out of the way. Boom. It's done. Now we can go back and put this stuff in. Hold on just a sec. What is that? Just gotta make sure. Oh, that's just a little dangly things that cut up all your food. We're good. We're good. Okay, so quick process. Let's go ahead and put this back on. You don't want to forget this. Don't leave this exposed. Some people might have mice in their house, and might not be good for them to leave that exposed. When we first bought this house, there was a mouse in here. We caught it, got rid of it, kept it mice free. However, there was a mouse in the garage this fall that I caught and disposed of. Alright. Guess I'll put this back on. This clip. Don't forget stuff. That's why you just put stuff right here on the table, then you won't forget where things go. Then you can just put it on like this. This clip's a little, I don't know what you'd call that. It's all messed up. It's all like, there we go. Alright, clips back on. We're ready to roll. Alright, set back over here. Follow along. Alright, let's see. Are you gonna be able to see that? Let's move it just a little bit. There we go. Focus. It's a little dark. It's kind of hard to focus, I guess. I don't know. It's kind of weird. Alright. We want it right there. And then we want to move this. Make sure you get that in the right spot before you tighten this up here. So we will try to put this thing back on real quick. Ew. Make sure you wash your hands after this. This is gross. Oh, it's gross. It's gross. Yeah. Alright, so we got that bad boy right there. However, you don't want to forget there's a little O-ring. I'm grabbing it real quick. Actually, there's a new one that comes with the disposal. You don't want to forget that. It's a pretty important piece. So, just this, slide that bad boy in there. Make sure you put that in. That's what this rubber piece is gonna connect to, and that's what's gonna give you your seal for this side. So don't forget, whoops, this. Okay. Get it lined up before we put the screws back in. I know this is kind of a long process, but you know, to be honest, it's pretty much all real time here. So I paused it for just a second to go back and look at those wiring, but it's really not that bad of a job. Alright, so I don't got that all snug just yet. Now we'll put this one. I don't know if you can see that. You're going to want to take this off right here. I don't know if it's focused, but then you just tighten that up right there. And I just do it somewhat finger tight. Right there. And then if you need to, there's always a way you can get somebody stronger if you don't feel like you got it tight enough. But if you don't have anybody, just grab a pair of pliers or channel locks, help you out a little bit. And then tighten that up, and then ew, gross. Get that one right there. You know, there's a reason why plumbers charge what they do, because, you know, to be honest, this is just gross. It smells. Old pipes, it's had food and stuff in them, dishwashers. Anyways, I've had a few rental properties that, you know, people didn't know. I don't know, I guess there's not really a right way to use these garbage disposals other than you don't need to put everything in there. I swear some people put like full on, you know, they didn't eat half their hamburgers, so they just chuck it in. Try to, you know, chop it all up and send it down the drain. That's not what they're used for. Just put little stuff in there, you know, just little teeny items like your, you know, little scraps off your plate or your salad, you know, those little teeny chunks that, you know, you can't really get or, I guess you don't want to eat. I don't know. Even better yet, if you got a dog, feed it to your dog. Anyways, I always took these out on my rental properties. I once someone had a problem with one, I just completely took it out. So then there's that. Then you basically just tighten that up, tight as you can, and then let's plug it in. I guess I'm videotaping, so hopefully I don't get shocked. If so, I guess it's all on camera. Excuse my head, it's pretty big. Alright, let's test her out. got the water running, kind of lubricated a little bit. But still, come on, focus back here. It's all blurry, a little dark. So yeah, you just want to run it a little bit, check for leaks. I don't got any leaks, but yeah, we'll just keep an eye on it here in the next couple days. Just make sure there's no leaks. This camera is weird. It's so like, all right, there we go. There we go. The level? I got this new tripod for my phone so I can do some of these videos. So, screwdriver. That's all I had to use to fix this. So, obviously, flat. Take this. Change it. Phillips. That's all I need. I needed a Phillips and a flathead. All that change out my garbage disposal. So, anyways.